Hello and welcome to another video presentation from Address Professional Services. My name is Greg Benson-Shettle. I'm an application engineer here at Address Limited, an Autodesk Gold partner for both architecture and mechanical. In this presentation we're going to be taking a look at Autodesk Subscription and an in-depth look at actually how to sign in and discover the true benefits of the Subscription Center. Before we go in depth into the Subscription Center, let's take a quick look at Autodesk Subscription and what are the possible benefits of taking it up. Overall, it does offer you a lot greater value for money compared to traditional upgrades, doing an upgrade on your software year by year. It works out cheaper in the long run. In addition to that, Autodesk Subscriptions gives customers many other advantages over unsubscribed users. As well as receiving the latest upgrades to the latest software releases, you can also get online technical support directly with Autodesk. Subscribers also get more cloud computing capabilities. They get more cloud capacity with Autodesk 360. And you can also benefit from flexible licensing privileges. This includes such privileges as actually being able to have an additional home user license. Subscribers also get flexible licensing privileges. These can include such things as a home user license that allows you to use your AutoCAD at home as well as having it at work. We've talked about these greater cloud capabilities, but what actually are there? We're talking about Autodesk 360, of course. This is Autodesk's cloud services. And if you've not seen this, we'll give you a very brief introduction just here, but there's many more videos explaining in detail about Autodesk 360 on our YouTube channel. So go to youtube.com/Address Ltd to find out more. But here's a brief description of the differences. Without subscription, anybody can get hold of Autodesk 360, and this gives you basic document storage, sharing and viewing, plus of course your mobile apps, the Design Review application and AutoCAD WS, and you get 3 GB of cloud storage space. However, if you've already got subscription, you're going to be upgrading to a system that offers you not only that, but also rendering in the cloud, optimization for Inventor, energy analysis for Revit, structural analysis, Green Building Studio, the list goes on, and of course a very nice 25 GB per seat per subscription. Okay, let's move on and actually have a look at the Subscription Center itself. So once you're signed up and you've got your subscription, how can you actually get to it? First of all, you will receive a welcome email, which will look, the header will look something like this. And directly off the internal links, you'll see from here, you can sign in to your Subscription Center. Of course, you could always go straight to autodesk.co.uk. Let's see what that looks like. And from here, we can go to Service and Support. And straight away, you can go to your Subscription Center via this link. Or if you want to type the whole thing in, go to the subscriptioncenter.autodesk.com. Typing that into your browser will take you to this site here, and you can start using your user ID and putting in your password. Also, there's an opportunity here to actually create an account if you haven't yet got yours. Naturally, you can always do a web search. Just type in Autodesk Subscription, and as soon as you type that into your web search, it'll come up, and no surprise, it's at the top of the list. Okay, let's take a look and sign into the Subscription Center for Autodesk. Your Autodesk Subscription Center comes with a wide range of benefits. To access all of your benefits, sign into the Subscription Center. It's a password-protected website purely for subscription customers only. So if you've already got your sign-in information, go into your user ID and your password just here. If for any reason you forget your password, there's always the click on the link here for forgetting your password. And if they do that, you'll get an email to your registered email address for your Subscription Center, and there you'll be able to renew your password. as mentioned previously over here, you can actually create a subscription account. So if you don't have a user ID or password, click on this link and follow the steps. Autodesk will then send you an email with your sign-in information. So let's log in and see what happens next. Once you've logged in, you'll get a welcome message confirming who you are and various links to different aspects that are available from your subscription center. Okay, you'll notice we can have a download area here where there's actually a Autodesk download manager, so you can get your software quicker than ever. In addition, straight from here, if you need to get your upgrade, you can grab an upgrade from here. You can click on this link. Now you'll notice that when you actually come into the download area, you'll find that not only can you upgrade to the latest version, here are 2013 versions, but if you've got some legacy projects that you still need to be operating on some of the older versions, you can do just that. So you can actually download previous versions of your software. And this is something that only you as a subscription holder can actually get. This is all about the flexibility of licensing. And as you can see, depending on your particular suite of software that you have, they're all listed according to the eligibility of the software that you previously purchased. From inside the download area, there are various options available to you. You'll notice here there is language. So you can actually specify maybe a different language to what you originally purchased, as there are some time-limited availability for perhaps if you're doing a project abroad for a short length of time, you can actually get a foreign language version should you need to. Naturally, you can check which platform you want, and these days, of course, that includes Apple Mac. Software, documentation, language packs, extras, and your serial numbers, they're all available right here from the Subscription Center downloads page. Okay, let's go back to our subscription homepage. So, what else can we do here? From the homepage, there's many more features available. Scrolling down, we see there's an area here, Product Enhancements. So you can actually download software enhancements and Autodesk 360 desktop clients, including subscription advantage packs. Click on the link, and here you will see a huge array of extensions that could be available for the software that you're particularly using. I'm going to scroll down quite quickly just to give you a flavour, I'll keep on going, of how many add-on packs you can get because you're on subscription. It keeps on going, it keeps on going. Hopefully you get the picture. Get answers to your installation and configuration questions from Autodesk technical experts. After signing into the Subscription Center, you can click here on the technical support area to actually receive technical support directly from Autodesk. We have a knowledge base. Use this search capability to find technical solutions and learning resources and lots more. You'll also find access to Autodesk forums. These are a great place to find answers from the community. You can also look at your support history. You can also request support directly from Autodesk. Here's the link, Request Support. Click on this. It's launching a new page in my browser. And here we have a basic support form where we can choose the type of topic we need to get answer for, and you can follow this process through and get information directly from Autodesk. Remember, technical support from Autodesk is only available when you're on subscription. Back on the home page, when you're looking at the support area, you can view your support requests so far and also view your company's support requests overall, so not just for you. One of the additional benefits from Autodesk Subscription is the ability to give users access to benefits. So giving other users within your organization the ability to access benefits helps you make the most of your subscription. To better do this, we go to the Contract Administration area. Click on the link. To actually have access to this, you will need to be a contracts manager or a software coordinator. This will be covered in your subscription. So from here we have various reports and facilities, including invite new users, and you can also view the existing users that you have already set up, and you can also edit their rights. Also from your contract administration area, once again you can check on previous versions that you've had as well. Let's take a look at a coverage report. Click on this link here. I've already opened this for quickness sake, and this is your coverage report. It will list all the software that you've got. It will confirm who your contract manager is, start dates, end dates, whether it's active, and obviously your company details. So this gives you a nice easy way of understanding what you've got support on and when it started and when it stopped. Back in our contract administration page, one of the many popular requests is, how do I set up my license for home use? Go to the contract administration area and click on the link that says request home use. This will launch a page which will then give you all the information you need so that you can extend the use of your CAD package license. Extending your license rights can only be done by contract managers and software coordinators. From this page there is an eligible product list, the FAQs that you may need, and obviously the continue button. Clicking on the continue button takes us to a contract area. So review the contract and then obviously click yes and continue. The rest of the procedure is very much the same, a series of tick boxes and continue buttons, and then you can extend your license so that your people can actually carry on their projects working at home. If you ever need to find out which of your licenses are due for renewal within the next, say, 2 or 3 months, the contract area is going to help you with that. We go to the coverage report, which we looked at previously, and there is a Renewals tab. Click on the Renewals tab, and this is going to show all licenses that are going to be due for renewal on subscription within the next 90 days. And if you have anything, they'll be listed right here. Okay, let's go back to the contract admin page. Your reseller should be an integral part of your overall technical support and process, and part of your advisory team regarding how you use your various Autodesk products. So to help with this, one other area that you can look at is allowing your resellers to view the support that you've actually been requesting. Click on here. Once again, we're back into the coverage report area, and there's a tab here for reseller view permissions. Click on this tab in here. This could be collecting quite a lot of information, so please bear with it while it loads up. And this is what the form will look like. Now bear in mind, when you set this up, your reseller will only be able to view your reports. They can't edit them, they can't change them. It's purely for information to keep your reseller up to date with the various issues and support queries that you may have had. Back to contract admin. Moving forward, what other help is available? If we click on training, the training page is going to give you vast access to Autodesk University, authorized training centers such as Address Limited, online support, forums and blogs, and many other areas where you can learn more and more about how to not only use your software but actually maintain and keep your systems up to date. So the Autodesk Subscription Center not only provides you with a wealth of tools to help you control the licenses that you have, but it's a great place to actually gain further information and access to training and source information. One thing we haven't looked at, of course, is the Autodesk 360 link here. The Autodesk 360 link naturally takes you to 360.autodesk.com, and as I'm logged in, it's taken me directly to my account, where I can see all the previous history of documents and files and 3D models that we've been sharing with our clients. Hopefully this quick tour around the Autodesk Subscription Center has been helpful and demystified it to a certain extent. Remember, if you need to get further assistance with this, it's always worthwhile having a look at the subscription help section. Click on the link just here, and in the subscription help there's a quick guide to signing up that will be useful. And you've also got licensing, registration and activation queries, and of course there is a FAQ down here as well, more frequently asked questions. So lots of help, exactly what you would expect from Autodesk. So that does our roundup for the Autodesk Subscription Center. I'd like to thank you for spending your time with us over this video. I'm Greg Benson-Shettle for Address Professional Services. I hope you found this useful, and for more videos about the latest Autodesk products, check out our YouTube channel. All the W is youtube.com/Address Ltd, or for more information about Address and the services we offer, why not visit address.co.uk. Once again, thank you and goodbye for now.